Do you want to cook healthier foods? Do you want to keep it simple and save space? Then you would enjoy this MIU France stainless steel 11 inches angled slotted turner as other chefs and restaurants has. This multi-purpose kitchen tool is great for everyday use and cooking all kinds of foods. The slotted turning head drains excess grease back into the pan. It is also ideal for cooking fish, scrambled eggs, stir-fry vegetables, healthy fries, crab cakes, roasted carrots, potatoes, and more. It is a lightweight kitchen tool made of durable stainless steel that is great for everyday use and dishwasher safe. The MIU France Slotted Turner, or fish turner, features a thin flexible blade designed to slide and flip delicate foods with ease, while its wide slots allow oil and fat to quickly drip away. Just right for cradling delicate fish or letting grease drip away from burgers. The 6.5 inches stainless steel head is durable, and the 4.5 inches long palm thermoplastic handle is comfortable to hold. This is made to last with full tang triple riveted to the handle for exceptional durability and control. It is an indispensable, basic tool for every kitchen. The sky is the limit in using this tool in anybody's kitchen to make healthy, great-tasting foods for yourself or the family. You'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. If you would like to know more about the MIU France stainless steel 11 inches angled slotted turner and its benefits, then please click the link below in the description.